Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Alright, so last session we have begun implementation for the Null game memory. Yeah, so we want to strip out everything and figure out what we need to have left, which shouldn't be all that much. I mean, there would be two strategies. Either we just strip everything and just figure out like, okay, what fails compiling, or we continue the direction we have, which is slowly stripping out what looks like we can remove, right? Yeah. There are also developments. People are contributing. More people are contributing now. So Mauler needs to add a couple more changes to the assembler fixes, because Mr. Felivier and Omniblade have added some more review comments. So Mauler will be busy with that. Thompson has created this change here. He said it's ready to be merged. Let me see. Let's see. Zone storage type. Let's take a look at this guy. Yeah, it's inside AI pathfind. There are a number of hits. I guess what I can do is we can stash this first. Hold on. Then we add a new remote manage. Thompson's. Thompson's. Okay. Hold on. Thompson's 26. Yeah. Put that there. This here. Save. Yep. Type this. Okay. Then I guess we take the path. Oh, that's a lot. He put it to generals. Okay, so generals, game logic, generals MD, code, AI pass find. Yeah, I think it will be too much effort to compare it one by one. I assume that he copied all the white spaces correctly. I mean, did it compile? Yeah, it did. Okay, I think that looks fine. This one is a bit bigger. Okay. Yeah, I think this looks good. Labels are refactor, minor, generals. Please add to the end of all commits please add 5. Please add to the end of all commit descriptions. Then we merge with rebase. Actually, it's called rebase and merge. Rebase and merge. Doesn't matter. Looks good. LV column is from Windows API. Oh, I see. I see. Let me see. LV column. Let's see. Okay. I see. LPSTR, I see. Okay. So this one is char. Yeah. Okay. I see. I see. Oh, okay. Then please use const cast lpstr. So lpstr, yeah. Okay, well then, yeah, if the Windows API wants that to be not const, yeah, it has this tendency, yeah, it should be an LPCSTR, strictly speaking, but yeah, the Windows API is sometimes a bit weird, yeah. And it's failing compilation, so something is wrong here. Error. Error. Man, can't write error. Okay, a bunch of linker errors. I see. he needs to add probably some dummy variables and needs to add some libraries to link against. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Linker errors need fixing. Good. Then let's get back here to our code. Yeah. So. Hold on. Here. There we go. Stash pop. There we go. So. We want to clean this up. Yeah. If I edit the general's ASM commit and delete intern compat, would that work with removing the file from it? Yes. You can also just, yeah. There are other possibilities, just to wait till 0 hours merge and do the rebase, and then it will complain about the merge conflict anyway. Then you delete the intern compat.h and then it's also gone. So yeah. Well, it needs to be rebased anyway after ZH version is merged. Yes, it still crashes on launch with VS 2022. Okay, let's go. So, good. What can we get rid of? Yeah, let's see. Maybe we look more here with the macros. Let me see. Okay, so the memory pool glue. What does this do? GCMP find. What is this? Okay, where is this function called? Let me see. Okay, looks like we should be able to get rid of this guy. Yeah. Private. I'm curious why there's no public here at the end. Okay, but this looks like we should be able to safely compile this out. And this too. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe even this whole macro can be compiled out. Yeah, maybe. Let's go with this first. Good, so that works. Then let's see if we can maybe just remove this entire thing here. So it's just used there. What about this one here? So it looks like we can probably just comment this one out. What about this guy here? Education slop. Okay. Okay, this should compile as well. Okay, here we have some debug stuff. This can also be compiled, removed. Here we go. This one as well. This one. This one. Okay. What about this guy here? Oh, What happened? It's not used. This one is used. So this one is never used. Interesting. Okay, so we should be able to comment this with step out. And this one as well, right? But this one is used. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Okay, can we remove this guy here? Let me see. We probably can't. It does need the virtual, right? Does it need the magic enum? I think not. Let's see. Let's see if we can remove the magic enum to begin with. Do we need this virtual arc class, this destructor? Maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Let's remove this guy and see if that compiles. You can probably already delete all this here. That's fine. Yeah, let's test this. I suspect that this will error. Yeah, it does. Okay. So we need this guy. And I think we also need the public. Yeah. Good, then we keep that. Yeah. Good, then we delete all these guys here. We delete this one, that. Do we need this guy here? Let me see. But I suspect we can also delete this one here. Yeah. Let's see. Good. Delete instance. Oof. This is one used. It is used. Then we keep this one here, yeah. Okay, the memory pool object is also needed. We do need the delete instance. Yeah. What about this guy here? What is this? Yeah, this one is also needed. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we just keep this as is. Likely. Yeah, okay. Memory pool factory. That's a good question. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Okay, let me see. What else do we have? Yeah, I think we need these guys here. Okay, let's already delete here this garbage. Macros. Pool init rec. What about this one? Oh, that's also used. Yeah. Oof. It's used in memory init. Okay, so this could possibly be removed as well. Okay, let's delete all this one here. Yeah. I can delete this one here. And this one. We can remove this. Yeah, removing the debug already makes it a bit easier to look at. Yeah. Okay, that looks good so far. Yeah. This one is commented out here. Is this implemented at all? Let's see. Huh. 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 Did we comment this out? Hold on. Huh. Aha. I see. I see. Okay. Okay, I think we can delete that thing, yeah. Good, then delete all these guys. delete these. Right. Good. Good. Okay, so this already looks a lot cleaner. What else can we get rid of? This one here. Let's see if it compiles. Okay, so here we can probably get rid of the private functions. Okay, now it will become more difficult, but let's see if we have any major macros left that need cleaning. No, the macros look pretty good. So it's now mostly functions left, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think we can also remove this guy here. Okay, so memory pool. So the question is, who is calling what? Okay, let's first test if the memory pool is used outside. That should be the first check. Memory pool, is it used anywhere? Man, the search doesn't work. It does work, but it's slow. Let's try again. There we go. Good. So we are in game memory null cpp game memory.h, and that's it. Okay, so it's only used inside of game memory. Okay, that means it should be possible to get rid of this whole memory pool object, right? Yeah. If no one is using it outside, then we can get rid of this guy. Okay, well, I expect if we comment this out, we'll get a lot of compile errors. So now things will get interesting. Good, let's comment this guy out. Then we also go to the CPP and we also comment out, we comment out all the class stuff related to, what is memory pool blob? What is this? Huh. Aha, it's a class local to this file. Okay, we should also be able to compile to get this out of the way, yeah. Okay, let's remove this guy. Hold on. Memory pool blob. Here we go. Memory pool blob. We comment all this out. Yeah. Okay, here we have a bunch of debugs. We can also comment these guys out. This single block thingy, what is this? It's probably also a class local to this file, right? I know. Let's see. Yeah. Then you can also comment this guy out. Hold on, there's another memory pool blob. Huh? Didn't we just comment this out? Are there two? What? Why am I seeing things here? Well, just comment it out again. Okay, so we get a whole bunch of red things. Let's keep on commenting for now. Yeah. Just in case anything interesting is still needed. Okay, looks like we get rid of a lot of stuff here. Here's a blob, yeah. Blob. More stuff. Yeah. Yeah. There's more stuff. And more. Okay. And more. Yep. 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 Okay, all this. Then here we have the memory pool. And you know what? We should have just deleted all this stuff. Should have just deleted it. Because I'm pretty sure we don't need all that. Okay, this we can delete. Delete. Memset 32. Huh? How? Global alloc. Good. So the memory pool. Yeah, let's comment this guy out. There we go. Good. So memory pool is gone. And we still have the dynamic memory allocator, which uses a memory pool. Yeah, okay. What do we have down here? Oof. Where's this? Oh, it's an always.h. But it's already removed, right? Yeah. So I think we can remove these guys as well. Shut down memory manager. Oof. Okay, so right now in its current form, it won't compile. Dynamic memory allocator. So the question is a dynamic memory allocator used anywhere outside? Let's see. Hold on. I think I looked wrong. We need to check if these guys are accessed. Oh, hold on. The memory. I think I didn't look quite right here, didn't I? We need to check if these guys are used outside. They are. So the memory pool factory is used outside. And this guy is used outside as well. Let me go once more to the memory pool. I really want to make sure that that guy is not used anywhere, because it would be a nightmare if it is used somewhere. How about we go to the public functions here and we search if there's any reference to this guy. No. No. What about this one? Nope. This one? Nope. Init. Nope. This one. What's so slow here? Hello? Stuck. Oh, good, then we search differently. Okay, this one is not found. What about this one? Okay, these look okay. Free block. What about this guy? Okay, this search seems to be broken right now. It's not good. Free block. That is also not used. Get owning factory. What about this one? Okay, that's clean. What about this guy? That looks fine. Get allocation size. That's also fine. Okay, this looks promising. Yep. Yeah. And reset, who knows? Oh, now it does something. Okay, but there's one more question, and that is regarding this one here. What about this macro? Allocate block. Oh. Allocate bytes. Okay. So the dynamic memory allocator, that certainly would be called, yeah. So that guy we cannot strip out. Do not zero. Allocate block. So allocate block. Aha, but that's part of that thing. To me, it looks like we can remove these two defines here. What about the other guys here? Okay, let's remove these guys here. Okay, then raw blocks, what is that? Okay, then let's comment out this guy. Yeah, let's comment out everything that would now fake compiling. Yeah, so this guy and this guy. Hold on, if block is used. Oof. Probably just comment out the whole body. Yeah, yeah, that's the easiest. There we go. There's one more red down here. Reset. Good. Then we can also comment out this guy here and this, all this debug stuff. I think we could just delete it already. Okay, so I hope that this compiles now. Yeah. Let's see. It would be great. Otherwise we have a problem. Looks promising. What? Doesn't null lo.y. Generals. Oh, bug. Minor generals. Good. Oh, we have an error. Oh, must return a value. Okay, that's not a problem. Yeah, what does it need to return? Null pointer. No. Good, we can do that. Return null pointer. Oh, what is this? Oof. Okay. Huh. Huh. I'm a bit confused about this thing. Why is this happening? Oh, hold on, we're looking in the wrong file. Oh. Hold on, did we touch the wrong file here by mistake? Hold on. 0 hour game memory. No, we did not. Huh? Why is the memory pool still there? Didn't we comment it out? I'm confused. Hold on, wrong file again. Here. Huh? Didn't we comment this guy out? I'm confused. Oh, is this a different memory pool? Are there two memory pools? What is this? Memory pool factory, memory pool object. Ah, we commented out and then we commented back in. I think that's what we did. Yeah, okay, let's comment it out again and let's compile again. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think Philippe is a bit over ambitious here. Minus 300,000 lines. What is he doing? Deleting. Oh man. I guess he's just like making a lot of commits already to delete stuff, I see. Okay. Okay, it's still failing. Okay. Why? Why is this failing? Is anyone calling these things? Hold on. Is anyone calling this? No. No one is calling this. Oh, actually, someone is calling this. Look at that. Okay, never mind. Then let's comment this stuff out. Yeah. Destroy memory pool. Resets. Return. Let's do null actually. Did we type a null pointer once? We did. Let's fix that. This one should just return num bytes. Return num bytes. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that succeeds. Okay, great. Then what this allows us to do is delete all the new stuff that we have commented. Yeah. So we delete this guy, and sorry, and we delete this guy. And do we need this guy here? Yeah, let's keep it here for now. Okay, we can also, I think, remove these guys. I think we can also remove this one here. I don't know about these here. Let's keep them for now. Let's see if that compiles. Aha, error. Okay. What is the problem? I see. The forward declaration is still needed for now. Let's see. Okay, put that guy back in there. Let's see. Good, then we can delete these guys here. Yeah. And if that is confirmed, we can delete that. Okay, it's already a lot cleaner. Yeah, not cleaner. Okay, then let's delete everything that we have commented here as well. Private types. So all this, then all this, then this, beautiful. Memory pool blob. I think they should have split this up into more files, like dumping all this stuff here into one massive file. Oof. It's quite a lot. Yeah. Good. Memory pool. Like they could have created like one file for the memory pool, one file for the dynamic memory allocator, one for the block, and for the other things, right? Would have made it probably a bit easier to maintain. Maybe. Maybe not. My gosh. My finger already hurts. I'm pressing here. Good. All right. The file is a little bit shorter. Well, still too much in here. Okay, but we can delete more. We can delete this guy here. The override malloc. Yeah, override malloc. We can delete. Okay, all this stuff we can delete as well. Okay, this stuff here we can also delete. And this one. All right. Good. Good. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, anything else here? Mm-hmm. Good. And here's some more. And here's some more. Good. Anything else? Link this. Da, da, da. Can I remove this guy? Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. So this is down to 700 lines. That's already nice. Let's see if it still compiles. Good. We're making good progress. Good. So next we need to see what we need to keep for the memory pool factory and the dynamic memory allocator. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh shit. Hold on. All right. So okay, so the memory pool factory, this guy is accessed in connection manager. Interesting. Connection manager. Ah, it's called some debug functions here. Aha. Memory pool debug. Aha. I think we deleted all the debug functions already, didn't we? Shit. Probably shouldn't have done that. Mm-hmm. So if we go to memory pool factory, yeah, we deleted all the debug stuff. Shit. Uh, oh, well, we deleted. I think it would be good that. Shit. I didn't think of that. I think it would be good if the null implementation would also respect the debug calls, because then if you have the null implementation enabled and you use debug, then you can still test if these things, if you touch them, that they still compile in principle, right? Because otherwise it can happen that you make a mistake and the debug doesn't compile anymore with the regular game memory, but would compile with the game memory null implementation, right? But you would only find out until you run it against some GitHub builds, right? You wouldn't see it before on your local build. So, that is a bit unfortunate, yeah. Let me see. Let me go to game memory. Memory pool factory. Where is it? Huh? There. Yeah, so down here. Okay, so let's say we put these guys back in there. Yeah. Yeah, let's focus. Well, let's focus on the non-debug stuff first, and then maybe we put the debug stuff back in, which we have now all deleted. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we shouldn't have deleted it to begin with, yeah. Okay, but now it's too late. It's already gone from the CPP as well. Yeah, okay, not the end of the world. Okay, so what do we do next? So the memory pool factory, I guess all these public functions essentially need to stay here. Yeah. Hold on. Where's this used, the memory pool factory? It's used in Null CPP connection manager. Yeah. Okay, but it's only used with the debugs here. Yeah, okay. And here as well with the debugs. Okay, that's fine. And what we can do is the debugs, they will then simply do nothing. Right? Yeah, do nothing. Maybe so we have this guy, debug set init filler index, debug memory report, this guy is called. And pool usage reports. Where's that? Debug, memory, pool, Ah, here, this guy. Okay, so it looks like these guys are not called here. So you can probably comment these out. And these guys are also not called. Debug set checkpoint. Yeah. This allocate do not zero. Init memory manager. We can probably keep this stuff here, how it creates a pool factory and the dynamic memory allocator. We can probably keep this stuff, right? It just creates these things and they just live somewhere. I think that's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, just realized we are in the wrong file here. Need to go here. What is this here? Do we need to do anything here? Oh, that's a good question. Sure. Could be dead code. What about the sizes thing? Where's this use? How's this called? Maybe we also need a memory init null.cpp. Yeah, maybe. So let me see, where are these guys called? This one is stick forward declared here. Okay. I think we don't need to call an init. We don't need this. We don't need the link test here. We probably don't need this. Hold on, why is there another allocation here? Huh? Why are there 2 times allocation? Where's this called? Okay, so that's called in WinMain. And where's this one called? Huh. Okay, so this one is not used. Or is it? Let me see. Let's double check. Oh. It is used. In game memory CPP. But not in here. Okay. Pre-main. Okay, so to me it looks like we can remove this guy. Yeah. And we can remove this guy. What about this guy? This one is called. Okay. Okay, let's see if that compiles. We probably want to make a null implementation for the memory init as well. So let me take the memory init guy, make a copy of this, and name it null. Yeah. Then we or maybe we don't even need a null. Maybe it would be enough to just strip the whole file. Maybe. Yeah. It's possible that we can just get rid of the whole file. Let me delete this here again. Let me search for game memory.cpp. Here. So what was the name? Memory init, right? Memory init, there. So let's take this guy, uncomment it here, and I put it down here. Here. Yeah. Memory init. Okay. And then we see if that would now compile. Yeah, let's see. There's a chance it does not, and then we would have to see if we need to strip something else in game memory null. But it would be good if it would compile straight away. Okay, so there is a problem. Okay, so there is some function here. What is that? User memory manager get DMA parms. And this function, would this be called anywhere outside? Here. Okay, what does this originally do? Let's allocate do not zero. How about we simply take this guy. We simply take this guy and put that here. We just allocate dynamic memory allocator. Yeah, I think that would be enough. then I think we don't need this guy. And we don't need these guys. And we also don't need this guy. And then it might just compile now, maybe. Okay, so that has compiled. Great. Then we will just remove this guy. Yeah. And then we can clean up here. Clean up there. Quietly ignore the call. Then we remove all this here. Do we need this here? Is this ever called? It's never used. Why does it exist then? This one is used. Wait, hold on. The function we just removed here. User memory manager. Maybe we shouldn't delete this one and just say, maybe we should just provide an empty dummy. So put a function here, void, and it just does nothing. Empty. Done. Oh. Hold on. Now we edited this file. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so how about we take these guys and we put them in here and we make them empty functions. Void. Yeah. Okay, but on the other hand, if these guys are never called from anywhere outside, then maybe we don't need to keep them here. Right? Yeah, maybe we just say don't keep that stuff here. So this one is definitely called in main somewhere, right? Yeah. This one is called. This one is not called but it looks like it's closely tied to the init manager, in memory manager, which is called. So we probably want to keep that. Okay, so how about we just delete these three here at the bottom, because they seem to be not necessary. So we can probably get rid of these guys. And then we also remove this here again. Yeah, let's compile that. So the shutdown memory manager pretty much does the same as the original thing. This one, pre-main init memory manager, that was not used at all, so we have removed that. We keep this guy. The link tester, that one is not used anymore, so we can also remove this guy. Yeah. Then the pool factory. Okay, so here. Okay, so here's a question. What can we remove from this guy? Let's see. So unfortunately, we removed a lot of the debug stuff now, which I think was a bit of a mistake. Yeah. Was a bit of a mistake. Yeah. So if we went to game memory.h, yeah, and we put back in these guys here. Memory pool checkpoint. Well, it increases the complexity. It increases the complexity if we maintain the debug for our null implementation. Maybe we shouldn't do that. I mean, problem is we can't use this because of this here. Unless we keep the glue. Oh, shit. Yeah. Would have to keep the glue then, right? Yeah. So there is a possibility where we'd say we take this guy and we don't put it up here, but we put it down here. Here. After all this other stuff here. But then we would need to maintain this kind of stuff here, the glue stuff. Oof. Oof. So the glue was where? this here. Now we have deleted so much, probably will be hard to reassemble this stuff. So basically this guy here would have to be here. And then, oh boy, glue ABC. That would have to be here. Yeah. And then, well, it would still require that we need to have these new deletes then, right? Yeah. Well, what you can also do is, instead of adding the glue, we can say here, we comment out all this stuff here, and then here we say undef this guy and undef that guy. Yeah, like that. This might work. Yeah. Okay, and that would mean now we have all the debug in here, right? So now the debug is enabled here. Yeah. So now we will get all the compile errors for debugs, essentially. Yeah. So if we go for this guy in game memory here, then we take this guy. Oof. Oh boy. The link tester. So if def this and then debug memory report. And then we remove all this. Yeah, so this one does nothing. And then we have this guy here. And that one. I don't know where it was supposed to be, maybe up here. Above memory pool usage report. It's up here. Yeah, we shouldn't have deleted debug stuff. Yeah. Good. And then here we make this empty as well. I know what. How about we just move it down here then? Yeah. Move it up here. Ah, actually, maybe not. Okay, so my worry now is that we get abundance of compile errors because of the debugs, right? Yeah. Let's see. Maybe we are lucky and it's not so much. Man, this thing is slow. Fix linker errors. What is this here? WD. W dump, I guess. Okay, so debug memory reports. Let's see. Debug memory reports. Ta-da, ta-da. Why is this complaining? It's here, isn't it? Probably because of compile errors, right? Yeah, I see. There we go. Good. So the problem is we delete the debugs from dynamic memory allocator as well. So we need to get those back. Oh boy. Dynamic memory allocator. Let's go to that class here. Hard to look at. Here, this guy. This guy. Yeah, there are multiples. Okay. Okay, then remove from list. Remove from list, yeah. So we add this one again. Yeah. And this one, allocate bytes do not zero. Here. And here. Okay, then we need to re-add these guys. Oh boy. Well, maybe not all of them. Well, let's see what link errors we get now. If we get link errors. Do we already have an error? No. Okay. If we are lucky, we only get link errors now. Yeah. Aha. Huh. Seems to be only link errors, yeah. But it's less than I thought. It's just one. Huh. Just one. That's weird. I thought that there would be more. Okay, then we take this guy. We go to game memory CPP. Where is it? Game memory CPP is not found anymore? Huh? Why is it gone? Ah, it's here at the top. There it is. Okay, so we're looking at this function. How? There. Okay, where is it located? Above allocate bytes, do not zero. Above allocate bytes, do not zero. Huh, why is it above this one? Doesn't make sense. Okay, so it's above this one. It doesn't have any special text or anything, or we just comment this out. Okay, so then this should actually work already. Huh, okay, that compiles. Great. Then that means we don't need most of these debugs. We can actually remove all these guys. And these guys. Right? Let's see. We have all the debugs enabled, right? I'm going to go to game memory. Okay, here. Yeah. So all these guys are enabled. So we get all the original macros. That's great. Well, yeah. I mean, we could also have put it at the very top here, right? And not use any of this stuff. But I think for now, maybe we add a comment here. Um, um, so move this include to the move this include higher up the file if that's not, it's fine, it's fine. Good. Okay, so this compiles. Okay, good. So we can now even compile with all the memory pool debug. And so all the calls towards these guys still happen, but they also just don't do anything, right? Yeah. I think that's good. Okay, but what we can do is we can delete all the rest. We delete this guy and these guys. And we can probably also look into deleting more functions that are unused in the factory and the dynamic memory allocator. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, so these guys here, yeah, let's remove this guy. And then remove these guys, yeah. We have this guy removed, okay. Okay, we remove this guy. Sorry. Okay, so we can probably that was easy. Great. Okay, what we can do is, for starters, we can remove here the init function and so on, right? And the members here. So we remove these guys, we remove these guys. Yeah. So this guy's gone, this guy gone. Okay, create memory pool. Let's skip that for now. Okay, destroy dynamic create. I think we don't need these guys anymore, so let's delete that as well. Because we simply allocate that one directly, right? Destroy, hold on, destroy, are we calling it? Oh, we're still calling this one. This is free. So what we can do here is put this guy here, this, do this. Oh, that doesn't work. Why not? Oh, right. There we go. And there we go. Yeah, that should work. And then here we have this compiler. Oh, okay, so this should compile now. Okay, let's take a look at this change. Okay, so he added the W dump here, yeah, and it's also properly sorted by alphabet. Very much appreciated. These guys also sorted. That's nice. This is sorted. That's nice. Yeah, he pays attention. That's good. Command and Conquer Renegade. Yeah, it's fine. Keep that. Yeah. Okay. Compilable, fix linker errors. So the question is, did he change the constness thingy or not? He did, yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Fix linker errors. Maybe so if he could merge this commit with the other two commits here, CMake setup and like, or it just makes. Yeah, now the question is, okay, what was required to make this compilable? So if you could make this compilable with VS6 and then this compilable with VS 2022, then we could add these as three separate, could merge with rebase, right? To have three separate changes in our main branch. But his change is not prepared for this. So maybe, and I don't know how complicated it is for him to do this kind of thing. So maybe we just squash it. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably too much work for him to split this. But if I would have made a change, I would have made one commit for adding the original thing, then one commit for adding CMake, and then another for the VS 2022, or make this these two one commit. So that basically that there's like a history of like a clean, the clean W dump from the original, and then the modified, so that you always have this in the history. I think that would have been great. Actually, let me suggest to him to squash the last three ones into one. Yeah. Maybe you can do that. Looks good in principle. Right now we would squash and merge this. How's it called? Squash and merge. Yeah. And we would squash and merge this. If you could squash the last three commits, however, then we could rebase and merge this so that our main line has 2 commits ZH at original DW dump at original wdump files from Renegade, and then another ZH make how do we call it? At CMake, and VS 2022 fixes to wdump. 556. Looks good in principle. Right now we would squash and merge this. If you could squash the last 3 commits, however, and rename the commits, then we could rebase and merge this so that our mainline has 2 commits. The advantage of this is that our changes are preserved in the history of main branch. Squat and merge this pull request. As is, we would squash and merge this pull request. But if you could squash the last 3 commits into 1 and rename the commits, then we could rebase and merge this so that our main line has 2 commits. 0 hour, add original wdump files from Renegade, add CMake and VSS fixes to wdump. The advantage of this is that our changes on top of the original wdump are preserved in the history of the main branch. Yeah. Before I send this, let me look once more into his changes. Yeah, so this one looks good. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, this looks fine. And this is also ZW dump. I'll see. Yeah. Good. Then let me send this message. We would now squash and merge this pull request. We need to format this here. Yeah. So basically the advantage is then someone can like look at this change and can see like, okay, what have we added on top of the original W dump, right? To verify like, okay, this is actually properly done in case there was a mistake. To me, it doesn't look like there's a mistake, but it's always good to have this separated, right? Yeah, but if he doesn't do that, then we can also just squash it down. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Let's get back to this one. So this has compiled. That's good. I need some light here. Hold on. Good. So. Okay, so let's remove these guys. And this guy. This is evil. Since there's no placement delete, we must do this the hard way. And call the destructor directly. Why is this evil? This is perfectly fine, isn't it? I will remove this comment. Okay, good. So we have removed here some garbage and this here. Yeah, the original developers of this game, they did nothing evil. They only did the good things. No evils. Good. Yeah. There we go. Okay, this looks already promising. Then I think we can probably also delete these guys here. That's my suspicion. Let's do that. Let's see if that compiles. Oof. Oof. What is this? Oh my gosh. Wow. What is this? Oh boy. That's funny. All right. Oh, that has failed actually. Oh. Okay. Aha. Okay. Aha. Aha. Okay, I think we can just comment this out, yeah. And this as well. Okay, what else can we remove? What about the reset one here? I think that can go as well, right? Hold on. This guy. Okay, but these three, I think they are needed, right? They're called from somewhere. Yeah, this one is called in win main. Okay, well, this one is stripped down nicely. I think I can remove this comment here. All right. I don't know why this function is there on the top. Let's move it down. There we go. All right. Okay, this looks good so far. Then let's see what we can do next. You can probably clean up the dynamic memory allocator as well. Yeah. So this guy has okay, so this comment is no longer valid. Then routes request smart. Okay, so for starters, let's remove these guys here. Which will give us a bunch of compile errors, yeah. Okay, so we can also remove the constructor. Yeah. We can remove this guy. And this guy. Okay. And this guy. Okay, let's see if that compiles. I accidentally kept the new swap ranges function inside the loop that swap bytes used when it internally loops already. So I was probably corrupting loads of memory. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Impressive that the game would still run then. What is this emoji here? What is this? My gosh. Oh, we got some fails here. Look at that. Oh, numpools. Ah, I see. Okay, let's remove this guy. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, let me already run the checks. I think I will I will also set it to approve, but I will wait a bit. I I will wait a bit in case you want to reorganize the commits as per the suggestion. Say we will wait until we will wait a bit, yeah. Okay, so this has compiled, great. Then let's next remove these guys, yeah. Remove these and remove that and that. Okay, so what's the next stuff we can disable? There's a lot here. Okay, we can probably get rid of these guys. And these guys, of course. No. So we take this one and this one. And that's it. That's it. Huh. Oh, that's simple enough. Maybe we should add a comment in here. Included below the macros. Included below the macros so that they can be used, so that debug code can still be used. So that debug code can still be used. That's game memory, let's say memory pool debug code can still be used. Is included. Let's make it a separate sentence. Okay. Okay, so this has compiled as well. Great. Then I think we can also delete these guys here. Yeah, we can delete the init. And this guy. Delete the destructor. And all this stuff here. Good. So next. Allocate bytes. This one we probably need, right? Let me see. So 3 bytes. Is this called? This one is called, yeah. 3 bytes. Okay, this one is also called reset. Is that called? I suspect not. We can probably comment this one out. Let's see. Okay, is this one here called? Yes. And these ones are probably called via the macros here. Allocate bytes to not zero, right? They're called. Yeah, they're also called here. In ASCII string. Okay. It looks like we now have everything that we need. What about this guy? How is this used? Iter, hold. What does this do? Object iterator. First, next. Okay, and then what? Ah, okay, so all this does is on destruction, it deletes. I see. Huh. What would be beneficial here if we could move this guy. If we could move this guy behind here, then we would need to create a duplicate for it. Yeah. 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 So we would delete this guy. And we put them here. And then we can remove him here. Yeah. Same for this one here. This one. We move this one here. Done. I can delete this one. So the message new, that one is needed, right? Actually, we could just undef this guy. No, let's keep it. Let's keep it this way, it's fine. Well, like this stuff could also be used from the real game memory, right? And this one as well. Yeah. Okay, here we need to allocate bytes, do not zero implementation. Yeah, I think we need to malloc this one. Malloc num bytes. So we void p. I think we can just return malloc. There we go. Free bytes. So this one would then call free block pointer. I think we can remove this. Hold on, it's okay to pass null. Malloc pass null. Malloc null pointer check. Let's ask ChatGPT. Malloc spec. I searched for the wrong thing. Free C++ free null pointer. Null pointer. How free handles null pointer? It immediately returns without doing anything. No action occurs. Okay, so it's defined. Okay. Yeah. Good. Free the bytes. Good. Then this should work, yeah. Get actual allocation size, yeah. Mhm. I do actually wonder, do we really need to make this conditionally compilable? It would not be necessary, but I think we can just keep it, yeah. It's fine. Okay, what about this guy here? Is this still used? No. What about this guy? Is this used? No. So we can probably remove these two here. Can we also remove these guys now? Probably, right? Let me see. So we just have the factory still, right? Yeah. What about this one here? Block checkpoint info. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Okay, so that succeeds. Great. Take this guy. We take these guys. Type defines. Okay, and then we can remove all these guys. Then let me... File, game, memory, null. Yeah, how about we just add a comment here, the super hackers. Done. Simple comment. What about the memory pool object? Is this still used? Oh, it is. Yeah, of course. I do appreciate that they made the virtual destructor protected. That's very thoughtful. Very thoughtful. Very nice. Okay. Okay, this already looks really promising. There's probably still a little bit too much stuff in here. Let's see if we can clean this up a little bit more. So, let's see. So this... Yeah, we probably don't need all this stuff up here, right? Do we need this function here? Oh. What does it do? Global alloc. That's Windows specific, isn't it? Error out of memory. Do we need this function? No. Okay, let's try to remove some things here. Good. So, what about this guy here? Okay, looks like this is also no longer needed. This is free memset. Okay, do we need these guys? Looks like not. Do we need this guy? What did this do again here? Pre-main init flag. Let me see. Initialize the memory manager and create this and that. This is only called if memory is allocated prior to the normal call. Static. And who does that? Oh, is this perhaps used by some tool? Huh. Maybe we should keep that thing as well. Where is it? Oh. No, it's commented out here. So no one is using it. No one is using it. Okay. Well, then that's good. That's good. But why is it still here then? If no one can call it. Oh. I see. Okay, but I think for our purposes, for game memory null, it's not important. Main init flag. I wonder if we have a problem if a statics. What if we have static ASCII string? I'm a bit worried that this could eventually crash. Yeah. Like, what if we have a... we need to see where the... We need to see where this one is called. Allocate bytes. Where's this called? It's called indict. So basically the risk here is, what if any of these, what if the, no. That would be null. Yeah, it would be null. No, it shouldn't. There should be no risk of crash. Should be fine. Yeah. It should be okay. Should be. No, I think it's probably fine now. I find this a little bit risky though, these two, because, well, mostly this one, because what if there is a static and on initialization it wants to call this thing? That would crash. So it's a bit stupid, right? If you think about it. Yeah, but okay. I think the next step would be to like get rid of all calls to this guy, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we can probably remove this guy. You can remove that and that. All this, all this, all this. And this. And this. And more. I think we can remove all of this here. Do we even need... Yeah, we probably should have pre-RTS. Should probably remove this here. Copyright the super hackers. How about we do that? Yeah. Yeah. Let's slap this on top of the file. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Oh, there's some error. Huh. Oh. Huh. Okay. Okay, does this compile? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then we remove this stuff. Then we remove this. Remove that. 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 And that. Then we can also remove this. Like this, like so. And remove this guy. This guy. Okay, so this guy is now 300 lines long. Can we throw out more stuff? Mem set 32. Assumes the pointer is 4 byte aligned. Ugh. Ugh. Do we need all this here? Maybe we just do a global free. I mean, who's using this? It's just used twice. We don't need a debug for this thing, right? We can probably also, like, instead of this free, how about we just use new delete here. Yeah. Why go through the trouble? Just new. Done. With throw. Yeah. Alternatively, we can also use malloc. Here. Yeah. So we only use malloc in here. We don't use new delete. So someone could still overload new delete with something. Yeah. Let's do that. Then here we do free. Yeah, then we don't need all this garbage up here anymore. We can remove this guy. We can remove these guys. And all these guys. And all of this garbage here. And that should compile now. Taking out the trash. Good. Let's delete that garbage. There we go. There we go. Okay, we are now at under 200 lines. Are we happy with this? Yeah. I think that's pretty decent. I don't know about the indentation here. Can remove that. Okay, can we simplify more things? I mean, these three functions, in theory, they could also be provided by game memory. Same with these guys here. Same with this guy. Yeah. Let's keep it here. It's okay. Or memory pool, delete instance. Let me see. So this guy is somewhere here. There. So we could take this guy. Yeah, we could take this guy and we put it down here. Here. Yeah. Maybe we also add a line here. Okay, then we can remove this guy here. Saved a few more lines. How about we remove this here? It doesn't seem particularly useful. Same with this one. Instead, maybe we can copy the line here and put the line there. How about we take these guys? We take these guys and put them here to the top, to these guys. I think that makes a bit more sense. Yeah. Okay. What about this guy here? Is this ever called? Yes, it is. And this one is also called. Okay. This one? Yeah. Should be called. Yeah. Okay, let me see. A dynamic memory class is used to handle unpredictably sized allocation requests. No. Let me delete all this. There we go. Done. The class that manages all the memory pools, dynamic memory allocators. This does not create the pool itself. You must create it manually using memory pool, create memory pool. Memory pool factory, create memory pool. Huh? Who does that? No one. Okay. Okay, well, it looks rather small now. That's good. And as far as I'm aware, all of these things are necessary. All of these functions are called right now with the code as is. Yeah. Okay, it looks good. It looks very good, yeah. Allocated chunk O bytes from this DMA. Don't bother. Okay. I think we need to do something about this one. Where does it throw? Check alignment. Okay. I think what we simply do is, so it wants to throw, yeah. Then we say here, say void p malloc if not P, or if P equals null, then throw return P. And then that's it, just here. Yeah. Was there any other? No, just this. Okay, good. So to me it looks like this should work. Yeah. We do need the assembler fixes though, otherwise it won't run. Good. I think I will take a break here. It probably has been 3 hours. Yeah, above 3 hours. Yeah, I think we made good progress. It should work. I hope. We have to see. And then, yeah. So we can now opt in and opt out cleanly of the game memory. And when it's opt out, then it's as if it never really exists. So there won't be any trampoline functions that go through some chain to reach some malloc or something. So that's good. Yeah. So a new is simply a new, right? That's it. Yeah. Good. Yeah, I will take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.